I would say one of the biggest traits that blacksmiths, metal workers, anyone really that works in this kind of thing share is that they all tend to make their own tools. So today I was debating whether to skip this episode, but I'm going to try and upgrade my whole setup.
There's no shortage of branches lying around the place, so I figured might as well replace these old rotten handles with some nice new ones. One thing I am lacking though is a good straight beam hammer, so I decided to cut one face of my symmetrical hammer out because what's the point of having two flat faces? Despite what some people might say, having a bigger peen allows you to move one out. Let's set those aside and take out these hammers I prepared earlier.
Adding a dip dab of honey with the black finishing is independent from rusting. Especially hardened metal, so even though there's some rough spots to the edges here, we're only grinding the edges.
This is a special sponge kind of looking rotor disc tool, and basically it just kind of strips the rust away without eating too much into the metal. And again, we're not going for pretty here, we're just kind of going for functional. So we're going to leave all these pits in the metal because it gives a better working material. Now apparently mixing beeswax, some mineral spirits, and some linseed oil gives a really nice black finish. I need to invest in a roof, but the average roof price in Canada has gone to like $1 million or some shit. Here's my first attempt at trying to make a little touch mark for myself, but needless to say the first one didn't go very well. I forgot that it's a mirror image, so I made the S backwards. So here's take two. I decided to hot chisel it out. I think it kind of turned out a bit better anyway, but not incredible. I might still do another one in a future time, but for now it's good enough. This is a nice picture of my outdoor workshop, right? No, it's more damn rain. And I figured I'd finish off this episode by actually doing something with this new kit.
Now we smash it. We're so close to needing to cut it off. I can't find the cut off.
In this video, you watch me repair some hammers, grind up an anvil, and make a little cut-off tool in an average-looking leaf. Don't get me wrong, I like the spiral on this thing, but the shape leaves a bit to be desired. And the punch could use a bit of work, but I think it gets the basic symbols across. So if you made it this far, I'm proud of you, and have a good one.